Hi, space explorers. Have you ever wondered what's inside our solar system? Let's take a fun trip through space and discover the amazing planets and more. At the center of our solar system is the Sun. It's a giant ball of fire that gives us heat and light. The Sun is what keeps all the planets in orbit. Next is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. It's small, rocky, and really hot during the day.
Here's Venus, the second planet. It's covered in thick clouds and is the hottest planet in our solar system. This is Earth, our home. It's the third planet from the Sun and the only one we know with life. Isn't it beautiful? Mars is called the red planet. Scientists are exploring it to see if life could exist there someday. Between Mars and Jupiter is the asteroid belt, filled with rocks and space debris. It acts like a busy highway in space. Here's Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant with a storm bigger than Earth. Saturn is famous for its rings made of ice and rock. Isn't it amazing? Uranus is a unique planet that spins on its side. It's very cold and far from the Sun. Finally, we have Neptune, the windiest planet in the solar system. It's dark and mysterious, but so beautiful. Pluto is no longer a planet, but it's still part of our solar system as a dwarf planet. And that's what's inside our solar system. The Sun, planets, moons, and even asteroids make it an incredible place. Keep looking up at the stars, explorers.